Hello there everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I want to talk about 5 most dangerous outdoor plants to your pets. And I also did a video about dangerous indoor plants for pets. So if you haven't seen that one, make sure you watch this video and I'm gonna jump right into it. And so the first one of the dangerous outdoor plants for our pets is lily. So there are multiple species of lilies that are poisonous to our cats and dogs, and these include the peace lily, the calla lily, the Peruvian lily, and also the lily of the valley. And according to the Pet Poison Hotline, oxalate crystals in the flowers can cause irritation in the mouth, tongue, and also the throat, typically resulting in excessive drooling. And also there are some types like the Asiatic lily, so Japanese lily, also daylily and Easter lily, that are much more dangerous and toxic to our pets, and ingesting just few petals can actually cause a kidney failure. And so what do you usually do in case your pet has ingested any even small particle of the lily? Obviously you take him or her to the vet, and it is also believed that it's very helpful to try to induce vomiting to try to get rid of the poison. So the dangerous outdoor plants for pets, number 2 are our spring bulbs. So these include hyacinths, daffodils, tulips, and also crocus. And whilst they are incredibly popular during the dull spring days, especially with the transition from winter into spring, because they do brighten up our days, we really have to be careful. So ingesting any of these will cause issues like diarrhea, vomiting, over drooling, so they will create a lot of saliva and lose their appetite. And the poisonous substance in all of these are pretty much concentrated in the bulbs, which poses the most dangers to animals who like to dig. So therefore these plants should be kept away from free roaming pets. And an interesting fun fact when it comes to crocus: so the substance found in a crocus, named colchicine, was once used as a treatment for gout. However, an overdose can cause cholera-like symptoms, plus a slow, agonizing death. And the FDA has since banned companies from marketing any drugs containing colchicine. So it's really best to keep ourselves, our children, and also our pets from getting into contact with these. Next one up is Azalea and Rhododendron. So it seems like ingesting smaller amounts of this plant, so just nibbling on the leaves, won't create a huge danger, but in bigger quantities it can cause stomach upset and also vomiting and toxic shock. And it turns out that honey made from bees who frequently visit azalea and rhododendron plants can be just as dangerous. So as it was once referred to by people of ancient Turkey, mad honey would often fend off their enemies by feeding it to the invading Romans, as it can cause confusion and vomiting, and sometimes even death. And so it's not just our pets to really watch out, but also our kids. So it turns out there have been cases where also children got poisoned by ingesting the flowers or even the nectar of these plants. Another dangerous plant that is on my list is oleander. And oleanders are very well known for their decorative benefits. They are very much present mostly in the southern countries and in Europe, where they beautify gardens and the sides of the roads, although they are one of the most dangerous. According to Wag Walking, all parts of the oleander plant are poisonous, including the seeds, fruit, nectar, and also the sap. However, the toxins are most concentrated in the stem. So even standing water near where oleander grows can be turned out to be poisonous. And the potency just of few oleander leaves is enough to kill a horse, really. And there is also a lot of popular songs and literature and movies where they talk about oleander as very poisonous, because it is. So anyone who ingests any part of the oleander, whether it is us humans or our pets, we will have to quickly find a medical attention, and we most likely will be suffering with vomiting or diarrhea or very increased heart rate. And lastly, number 5 of our most dangerous outdoor plants for pets is Kalanchoe. And Kalanchoe is native mostly to hot countries like Southern America, and in Europe mostly is used as a decorative plant and also an indoor plant. So it blooms, it flowers mostly in summer months. So there is a substance that is compounded in the bright flowers of this plant, and when ingested, because it is attracting a lot of animals, it can become quite irritating and also deadly. There are some reports that say that even several grams of Kalanchoe have been enough to kill a small calf that is out grazing. So as I said, Kalanchoe is quite popular indoor plant, so be sure to get it out of the reach from your pets. So these were the 5 most dangerous outdoor plants for your pets. I hope you enjoyed the videos, and again that you've learned something new and that you will take any precautionary steps to prevent any harm from occurring. And if you did like the video, please hit the like button. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet. And if you found the value in it and you want to share it with your friends or family, you're more than welcome to do that. It would really help me out. So have a lovely day, and I will see you in the next video.